We're in the wellness, and this is the multi-purpose room, and we're here to play Vikingball. Basically, it's like hockey, except for the Viking or the goalie can hit you with the hammer if you come in his zone. So it just adds a whole nother dimension that you can't run up to the goal. I like it. It's fun. It would be way more fun if I was better at hockey, but it's fun just to run around and learn the game.
If you get a penalty, you'll have to stay behind your own team's baseline. You can still play the ball when it comes back there.
Well, really the biggest thing is just the social aspect. I met like 5, 6, 7 people. Like we try to come to the other pickup and plays, and they're just fun things, and usually new things. Super wide variety of students, and we do a super wide variety of things in the wellness, and you need the space to do it.